it's your girl Asia and welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair, and then I'm going to be taking my Revlon brush to blow my hair out. But I'm blowing it out on cool. I just want my hair to be stretched so my style can dry and so I could have more body and length in the style. So I'm just taking the brush right now and gently pulling it through, and again it is on cool, and I'm going to twist my hair so I can finish the sections and keep my hair out my way. I'm just going to do this all around my head. So to deep condition my hair, I use the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. And to style my hair, I'm going to be using the same cream from that line, which is the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. And I love this line, y'all. Like, first of all, it smells so good, and it just leaves my hair feeling great. The smell, like, I just can't get over the smell. It smells so good. It's not too like strong, so I love that. And then also this cream gives my hair awesome hold and definition, and it dries quickly. So when I want to do quick styles like this, if I'm especially doing my hair late at night, it works perfect. Okay, so let's get into how I'm going to do this twist out. So what I do is I separate my hair into smaller sections. I'm going to use my dimming brush to get out any tangles, and then I just do a regular 2-strand twist all the way down. Well, not all the way down. I'll leave probably about an inch of hair left, so I can put the perm rod on it to give me that curl effect. And then I'm going to use these gray perm rods, and I'm going to roll it up, and then I'm going to twirl it. So roll it probably 2 times and then twirl it. And then again, I'm just going to continue this process all around my hair. I think I probably had a total of 4 sections, and then in each section 4 twists. So again, if you want to use a dimming brush, I think it's good just to get out any tangles, because you want your hair to be sleek, especially if you're trying to achieve a curl at the end. And again, I'm going to roll it twice and then do a twirl, and it depends on, you know, how far I just end up going. Normally I go up once or twice, but no more than twice. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. Again, we're going to twist it, leave about an inch of hair out, add a little cream to just give the end that hold that you need, and then add your perm rod, and we are good to go.
Baby, you don't know.
I'm just going to finish up this last section and then put my bonnet on and go to sleep. So it's the next day, and now it's time to take the rods out. So I'm going to gently unravel them from the bottom, and then I'm going to again just gently separate them. That one was a little knot, but what you want to do, unravel from the bottom. And sometimes, just to make things easier, what I would do is just unravel all the perm rods first and then go through and take the twist out. As you see, I could start doing this because I was like, okay, hold on sis, let's just take these perm rods out. Now you can see I can gently take them from the top, and the twists will just unravel themselves. And I'll just continue to do that all around my hair, and I don't do it too much right now, because after this I'm going to show you how I kind of fluff my hair and separate the twists, because I'm a girl that loves volume. I don't know about y'all, but I love volume. So I took all the twists out, and now you can see I'm going through each piece and kind of separating those pieces more one by one. Then I'm going to get my handy dandy pick and fluff my hair out even more. And boom, there we go, a nice fluffy twist and curl. If you guys love this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.